thank you Ducati Thailand for lending us these bikes. First time ko gumamit ng yellow na scrambler, pero I still prefer the red one. Sabi nila yung weather forecast daw is mainit. Ako, I always use my Hawaii, of course.
The road we take is not on the Google Map.
Oh my gosh, kinabahan ako. Sa Pilipinas, itong buong to is just one car lane. But here, 2 lanes na yan. Alam nyo guys, when I say aspalto lahat, yung kalsada dito, aspalto lahat. Super smooth. Grabe. Sawadika! So I haven't learned good morning in Thailand yet. So yun pala yung alam ko. Sawadika and kapkun ka, which is thank you. So today will be our first official riding day here in Thailand. So nasa Chiang Mai kami ngayon, and then today yung ride namin is going to Chiang Rai. And sabi nila yung weather forecast daw is mainit. Kagabi kasi medyo malamig, pero pag-araw talagang parang Pilipinas din siya. So we have to make sure our skin is prepared kahit na naka-riding jacket tayo. Ako, I always use my Hawaii, of course. Yan, ito yung parang travel size nila kasi maliit lang siya. So it's good for 2 to 3 weeks or more. Actually, more pa naman, pero madali lang siyang dalhin kasi maliit lang siya. So yun, I'm really very excited kasi nga, this will be my first time to ride ng naka-big bike sa ibang bansa. Kasi na-try ko naman na mag-scooter pero short distances lang siya. But today, we'll be riding for about 300 kilometers. So mahaba-haba din yun. And I'm really very excited. Lalo na, I'll be using a Ducati bike for the Thailand ride. So after this, papakita ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung bike na gagamitin natin. So this is the Chiang Mai crew. We have Ken, Mark, Sir Toti, Miss Joy, Nong, Gino, Rufino, Bom. Bom is our tour guide for our Thailand ride. So siya yung nag-arrange nung mga itinerary namin and everything else. So yung mga hotel, siya yung nag-book. And then lahat ng gagawin namin is care of Bom. Hey everyone, this is Bom. So, Bom is responsible for our whole trip here in Chiang Mai. So, Bom, what's our first itinerary for today?
Sorry?
Where will we first go here? I mean, where will we first go today?
I don't know anything at all. No. So today we are going to Chiang Rai, north of Chiang Mai.
Chiang Rai.
The
Oh, that's how you pronounce it? Chiang Rai?
Chiang Rai.
I thought it's Chiang Rai.
Yeah,
Chiang
Rai.
And then?
Anything. The road we take is not on the Google Map.
Oh,
It's road. It's
okay.
road. It's road, but it's not shown in the Google Map.
Oh my gosh, kinabahan ako.
It's
Kasi I
my
searched it last
secret
night
road.
on Google Maps, but it was very short. So, it's a different route.
Yes.
Okay? But first, we have to gas up.
Yeah.
We'll be using our bikes from Ducati. So, very excited. Thanks, Bom! So, here's our first stop. Ganda. What's the name of the place?
Chiang Mai.
No. House.
Just ask what's the name of the place. Khuen Mae Kuang.
Oh my gosh. Thailand na lang. Chiang Mai na lang. So, Bom, what is this called?
Where are we now? We are at Khuen Mae Kuang. That's in Thai. Khuen is mean dam, and
Okay.
Mae Kuang is the name.
Okay guys, we're in Thailand. And by the way, this is the bike I'm using. So thank you Ducati Thailand for lending us these bikes. First time ko gumamit ng yellow na scrambler, pero I still prefer the red one. It's pretty challenging to go here kasi yung roads are very narrow. As in yung 2 lanes nila is parang 1 car lang. But again, it's worth it. Ganda ng place. For better understanding guys, when I say 2 lanes lang sila and manipis lang, this is what I mean. So, yan. Ito lang ako. Sa Pilipinas, itong buong to is just 1 car lane. But here, 2 lanes na yan. Ito yung first stop namin. It's a coffee place in front of the dam. Alam nyo guys, when I say aspalto lahat, yung kalsada dito, aspalto lahat. Super smooth. Grabe. Yung pinagdalahan sa amin ni Bom is a coffee place. This is a dam, right?
Yes.
So, in front of a dam, nice coffee. Hi, Nong! Ganda-ganda naman dito. So, after enjoying this coffee, we will pass by that bridge. So, wish me luck. Yan. Daan kami dyan. I don't know if I'm excited or what. Ooh, ganda. Okay, here na sa lunch venue namin. It's called Happy Farm. Pasok tayo. Good na. So, pre-ordered na rin pala yung food namin. Kasi meron na siya, kakarating lang namin. So another stopover here. This is called the White Temple. Sabi nila, it's a depiction of heaven and hell. So it means, pagpasok mo, you'll see parang sculptures of people in hell, something like that. So it's a depiction of, before you get to heaven, you have to go through hell first. Hindi ako sure kung yun talaga ibig sabihin niya, pero ayan, so nakikita niyo yung mga gray parts. That's supposed to be hell, and then that's the gate of heaven. Ganda. Yay! After 270 kilometers from Chiang Mai, nandito na kami sa Chiang Rai. So we will be sleeping here tonight, and then tomorrow we are going to ride to Pai. What's this again?
Yes, it's oolong tea.
Oolong tea.
Yes, and this wash your hand.
Sweet.
Yes.
And then this is for the hand. Kapungka! Here we are! Soup Neuron Hotel. Settle in first. My bag. Bakit ang gaganda ng mga hotel dito sa Thailand? And for your information, we rode about 200 kilometers today. So I think we deserve some rest.